To import Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup, start by logging into your Google Analytics account and navigating to the Admin section. In the Admin section, select the property for which you want to import the setup. Next, click on the property settings and then click on the Universal Analytics upgrade. If you have not already set up Universal Analytics, you will be prompted to do so. Once you have set up Universal Analytics, click on the Tracking Info tab and then click on the Tracking Code. In the Tracking Code section, you will find the Universal Analytics Tracking ID, which typically starts with UA. Copy the tracking ID and navigate to the platform where you want to import the Google Analytics setup, such as Google Tag Manager or another website. In Google Tag Manager, create a new tag and select Google Analytics as the tag type. Then, paste the tracking ID into the designated field and configure any additional settings as needed. Best practice is to use the Universal Analytics setup to track multiple websites or platforms, as it allows for more flexibility and customization. Additionally, ensure that you have the correct tracking ID and that it is properly installed on all pages of your website to ensure accurate tracking. It is also important to note that Universal Analytics is being phased out in favor of Google Analytics 4, so it is recommended to set up a new property using Google Analytics 4 for new implementations. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully import your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup and start tracking your website data.